read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected parents, how are you? I hope you all are fine. In the class, we taught to the students uppercase and lowercase letter X, its different sounds, vocabulary words. But the question is that how you will teach at home? Okay, which objects we will use today? X-ray and box, because an X-box as well, because there are two sounds of it, like ending sound and initial sound. The initial sound of X is X and the ending sound of X is X. So we have to teach them both sounds. So formation of uppercase and lowercase letter X, its sounds and vocabulary words at home. Let's start. Start from the dot. It's red dot. Make slant line. Make a cut. Make another slant line. It will make uppercase letter X. Capital X. Start from second line. Same like it. They both are same. Start from second line. Make a slant line. Make another slant line. It will make small x. The letter name is X. The sound of X is x, x, x. Box. X, x, x. Ox. X. Xbox. X-ray. Very good. X factor. Share a talent that makes you special. Okay? Share a talent that makes you special. After that, they will visualize the story. At the Christmas party of the hospital, a boy played a tune on the xylophone. He played under the Christmas tree. Dr. Ali used the Xbox to play the game. He asked his friend to share his X-rays with others. I hope so. You all liked and this story, my way of teaching, and you will apply at home. Thank you very much and Allah Hafiz.